Right, so let me show you how to use all the apps on the cover screen of your Galaxy Z Flip 8. Now this is very important, or very easy. So this is a cover screen by default. If you swipe up, you can see some of the apps, but you continue swiping, you should see that it's limited. And you have to install a plugin called Multistar to get access to other apps. So you can tap on Add Apps. That should take you to the Galaxy Store where you can now install Multistar. All right, so go ahead and do that. Now, if you already have Good Lock, then it probably already has Multistar. It should be available as a plugin inside the Good Lock app. But if you don't, then it's gonna get installed just like that. And now, once that is installed, if you go to the cover screen, you can see now we have more apps that you can use. All you have to do is select the apps you want available on the cover display. So let's say you want Chrome available there, you want the Google Meet app there, maybe Instagram as well. So you can just go selecting the apps you want to be able to use in the cover screen, and then you can tap on done. And now when you swipe, you can see all the apps you selected are now available. Now at any time, you can come back here and tap on add apps and then add the apps you want to use on the cover screen. And you can even go removing some of the apps. So for instance, if you want to remove TikTok from the cover screen, and just go ahead and uncheck that, then tap on done. And that is basically how you can use any app that you want on the cover screen of your Z Flip 8. Thanks for watching and good luck.